Hello friends, a recent article in the Wire news web portal has sparked a new controversy. A controversy between two communities. An article says that the Hindu community of the Jammu region has boycotted supply of milk from Gujjar and Bakarwal community, which is very surprising for me as well. I am myself is a consumer of milk from Gujjar and Bakarwal community, and we don't look after the religion, but in the article it is clearly written that it is on the communal lines. On this topic today I have Rajesh Gupta of VHP to speak on this, and I would like you, Mr. Rajesh, to throw some light on the issue. What do you feel being a part of VHP on this, and being a person who is also consuming milk from Gujjar and Bakarwal community?
I'm sorry that if it is called the journalism, if milk can be divided as a Hindu milk and Muslim milk, at a time when demands have gone down, hotels, restaurants, other religious places, everything is closed. Sweet shops are closed. Naturally, demand of milk has gone down. And when milk's demand has gone down, producers are affected, whether they are Hindu milkmen or Muslim milkmen. Saying this, that only Muslim milkmen are affected and they are being boycotted, is a blatant lie and criminal in nature.
Exactly.
This is what I can say. There is no such incident that can happen like this. Nothing has happened, but it is a criminal misconduct by a journalist, by this news magazine, to disturb peace of the area.
I have also read in the article that it is written that these Gujjar Bakarwal community has offered to supply free milk to quarantine centers in Jammu and surrounding areas.
Ashish, I am sorry. There are multiple social organizations which are supplying free ration, free food, free milk, free vegetables,
without even mentioning
the poor and needy people. And here in this case, some people, not all, but some people have publicized that they will conditionally offer free milk to quarantine centers. This kind of donation, this format of donating something, I have never seen. And even this news has come, I think day before yesterday. Till now, I have come to know there is no such donation have been made, and neither government has demanded any such donation or asked for any such donation.
As you just said that, you know,
this is a publicity stunt, I can say.
Exactly.
Totally publicity stunt.
There is a lack of supply and lack of demand, I would say, which is very much visible in all across the country, I would say. Not in Jammu only.
No. And in every product, it is not only milk that has gone low in demand.
Exactly.
It is everything. Tourism industry has slowed down. Everything is closed. There is no demand for anything regarding your motor parts industries has gone down. Any industry you take up, your garment industry has gone down, and how can we divide it on communal lines or religious lines, that because it is a Muslim oriented industry, because so there is no demand. This is nonsense.
When the entire India is fighting against coronavirus, you know, with hand in hands, and when an article like this comes up in the media, it is actually a kind of, you know, surprising for me as well, being in a journalism. Rajesh ji, I have also came across a video in which it was saying that the milk consumer companies like Amul and other companies have refused to take milk from Gujjar and Bakarwal communities. How far can it be true? What do you see in it?
I'm telling you that I am seeing a criminal angle in it. How can a company like Amul, which has a manufacturing facility at Jammu, identify and say that because this is a Muslim, this milk comes from a Muslim family, we are not taking it? This is I think this is putting an institute of national repute to disrepute. I think police should go across the video, point out that who has said it, and they should book them. They are going to defame the institutions. These criminal and these morons, they have to be booked.
Thank you, Rajesh ji. There can be some isolated issues, but we cannot give it a communal color at this point of time when the whole country is actually fighting against corona with hand in hand. So that was Mr. Rajesh Gupta with me from VHP speaking on this topic. I will leave on this on a very good note that when everyone is in the home fighting against this corona pandemic, and when articles like this come up, surprisingly, it creates some kind of communal tension among all sector of people. Thank you.